Now the muscles of the medial compartment of thigh. The most medial and most superficial muscle of the medial compartment of thigh is this gracilis muscle. If we remove the gracilis muscle, we can see the remaining adductor muscles of the medial compartment of thigh. The adductor muscles of the medial compartment of thigh are, this is the adductor longus, and deep to the adductor longus, if we remove this adductor longus, we can see the adductor brevis. Adductor longus, adductor brevis, and this is the adductor part of the adductor magnus. This entire is the adductor magnus. Now on lateral side, there is a muscle which is called as tensor fascia lata. This is the tensor fascia lata muscle, which along with the fascia of the thigh forms a thick band on the lateral side. This is the iliotibial tract. Iliotibial tract.